Welcome to my channel. Let's get free 1 million
Hello
hamster
guys.
coin.
I'm here with a new update that I just saw on Hamster. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but I'm just seeing it, and it's just been launched. Like the time of making this video is not even up to like 6 hours that this update comes on play. So I would like us to try it out, and so that we can get some extra 1 million token. 1 million token. Apart from the 5 million, we are going to be getting 1 extra million token. So to get this is just a little bit technical, more than the card of a thing, but it's easy if you have some 1 or 2 idea about how you can make no Morse code. Morse code is all about tapping in a short term and long term. That's how you get your Morse code. But for reach down, and for you to do that, you have to do one thing. It's a process, but let's start from the beginning. Okay, the first place you're gonna go to get the other part for this 1 million is your earning per tap. Earning per tap. Earning per tap. This is your earning per tap. Your earning per tap. So this part, you have to tap it like 3 times. Fast 3 times. You understand? Fast 3 times. And we want this to change to red. This has to change to color red. It's from blue to red. So let me do it, and you guys can see what I'm talking about. Okay? See what I'm doing now. You see? You can see now that it has changed to red, meaning you've activated it so that you can get the 1 million extra token for today. Okay? Now, how are we gonna get the code for today? The code for today is BTC. Is BTC, and the Morse code that you are going to use to activate it is by you tapping and tapping the long tap and the short tap. Okay, now I'm gonna do this, and I want you to follow me. The Morse code for today is going to be BTC, and B is going to be long tap and 3 short tap. That is for B. That is for B. B is going to be for B. For B is going to be like this. Dot, dot, dot. Okay? It's going to be like that. Let me do it again. Long code, dot, dot, dot. That's for B. Okay, now let's do the second one, which is T. T is going to be long code. Okay, and for the C is going to be long dot, long dot. So if this is correct, you're going to see that sign that we are using, that we usually see when we do the token before. Okay, so let's dive into it straight up. Okay, now let's do the B. Long, old, dot, dot, dot. Long, old, dot, dot, dot. Can you see the B? Can you see the B? Now, for the T, I told you that time it is going to be long old. Okay? Just long old. So now let's do that. Hold it down, then release. That's our T. It's remaining C. As I said before, your C is going to be dot. Now let's try that and do it once and for all and get our extra 1 million. You can see it here, extra 1 million. When you get it, you are going to see a mark, a score mark. It's called a check mark like this, a check mark like this, if you get it. Okay, now let's go for the last part, which is C. And if you can remember, I said C in Morse code is long old dot. Okay, now let's try it. Let's try it again. Long old dot. This is our C. You can see what we are seeing. Can you see it, guys? And let's take the price. And if before you take the price, note my price, note my actual money. It is
Follow, comment, like, repost, and share.